all know how difficult the COVID-19 pandemic has been on families, and it's been especially tough on families with children with special needs.
In Health Watch this morning, Fox host Marilyn Deutsch shows us how one local family is still getting the help it needs.
Wisdom teeth are the third molars and usually come through after age 18.
That's Emily that's reading. You might think she is the older sister, but she is just 13. She reads to her older sister, Alexa, who is 19. Alexa's wisdom teeth are coming in. She has intellectual disabilities, and Emily is helping her understand what's happening.
Sometimes you have to be the more mature one, or you have to kind of deal with some situations.
For years, Alexa, Emily, and Mom Julia have gotten help from the Providence Child Center. Emily goes to regular workshops for siblings who have brothers and sisters with special needs.
These games help you engage with expressing, your feelings or, challenges that you may face being a sibling. You have to kind of be able to be okay with this one over here getting more attention than you.
With the pandemic, the workshops are now virtual.
I feel like I have kind of a second family there. So it was really nice to be able to get online and, have that time with them.
Telehealth appointments online are helping other families. Pediatrician Martine Sachs says in some cases, it's best.
I could actually see my long-distance patients more often. I can see my patients who struggle with transitions in their home environment.
But some families are still coming in.
The things that we really need to see a patient for, we're seeing them. We need to meet their needs and we need to keep them safe.
Thanks to the resources here,
Yeah, good job.
Alexa and Emily are able to share a lot in common.
She's kind of a goofball, so that in turn makes me a goofball and happy.